Asking and giving directions in English can be very difficult for new learners. English uses lots of phrases to describe how to get to somewhere, but these phrases can be used to mean very different things as well. This video today looks at the phrase go through. Have you ever been told to go through something as a direction? For example, you're driving and your GPS tells you to go through a tunnel. Or maybe someone that you know has gone through a red traffic light before and gotten into trouble. But what does the phrase actually mean? It's very simple. It just means to go into one end and out of the other end of something. We go through it. And it means exactly the same as to pass through. A different way that we can use the phrase go through is when we go through something in life. This is usually something difficult, or we experience an unpleasant situation or period of time. Just like driving through a tunnel, we say that we go through these hard times because we enter in one side and come out of the other side. Why did she break up with me?